Hi there, this is a quick overview of Stock Predictor version 1.1.302. Stock Predictor is a software package for technical trading on the stock market. I've found it to be very user-friendly and quite stable in its operation on Windows XP. Features a number of technical indicators which are pretty standard in the market, such as volume, channel breakout, RSI, moving momentum indicators, directional movement index, and the MACD. What I like about it is it enables you to backtest strategies such as a channel breakout, RSI, and momentum. What I'll do is quickly show you Stock Predictor, which is running on my PC here at the moment. And how we start out with this and setting it up is that we have to set up a database, which means that we need ticker identifiers, and these ticker identifiers are very easy to add to the database. As you'll see here, I'm just entering a new ticker item company, CEN, which we'll now retrieve from the data providers the latest stock information. So I'm going to just press on this here, and it'll go through and update the database with the latest stock price data information. You see here it's generated a chart for that stock. We can look at the time range of that as well. If we wanted to have a look over, say, a 6 months period, we can change the time scale. What I like about this package is the ability to select strategies and backtest them. You see here in the screen, that drop down screen, that we've got a number of selections and choices that we can make. You look at a say a volume breakout. We can select the strategy to be run across all the companies in our database, and our database can comprise of up to 1,000 companies. So let's just run this strategy. You see up here that it will take a bit of time to run through, depending on how big our list of companies is. And it's completed that because we've only got a pretty small list of companies here. But when we click on the companies, we see that the Stock Predictor is saying to avoid the stock, or it's a sell based on that strategy, or it's a hold or a buy, potential buy. So we can run various other strategies. As you've seen here, channel breakout, we could run that. We can also look at technical indicators for the chart if we want to display these rather than the default settings of directional movement. We could select, say, a MACD, apply those settings, and we now see that they're current on our charts to assist us in our technical trading decision. And also have a look at the trading history. So if we look at a company, we run the strategy, you see here that it's come up with a listing here on buy sell tasks, and the gains applied for those decisions, and it summarizes it down the bottom here as accumulation of gains or a summarized percentage gain. So we can use this as well to help us decide which is the best strategy to apply for the stock. And in this situation with a minus gain, perhaps it's not a very good decision. We can apply another strategy and see which is the best strategy to be applied to the stock. Downloads, again, can apply that and it will update the total database. It's going to take quite a while for that to run through, depending on how many companies you've got. Okay, that sort of completes a bit of an overview of the software, just generally having a look at it. There are, as I've uncovered, a few issues with the software just at the moment. This is particularly for US stocks, and importing these into the database and having a seamless operation like I was just showing you doesn't seem to be possible at the moment. There's some confusion with the software deriving its data from two different databases or stock providers, and that confuses the software. I believe Ascron are working on that problem at the moment, and they're shortly hopefully going to devise a fix for that. But other than that, I've found the software to be reasonably priced, pretty easy to use, and it's certainly not the most expensive package in the market, and at this stage I'd be recommending this package. Thanks for the time. That completes our overview of Stock Predictor. And I just want to finish off by saying that if you want other technical reviews of software and that, please go to Stocks2boom.com, http Stocks2boom.com. Thanks a lot for your time.